Hello everyone, welcome to day 34 of the 60 days challenge. So today I'm about to share for beginner tips for those of you who are not able to do a one full push-up. How are we gonna do it? We're gonna do it by steps. So what we're gonna do, let's check it out. Oh, before that, be sure to hit the like, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you will not miss out on all these good things I'm about to share. Anyways, let's check it out. Okay, so what you need is something like this, maybe somewhere around this height. Get something high, and then we go level 2, which is lower a bit. So high and low, okay? Now we start with high one for those of you who are just starting and you cannot do push-up one. What you can do is you start with this. Okay, roughly when you step like one step behind, okay, and then you can measure it. When you go down here, you see this line here. It reach your chest is like a what we call square. So what you need to do is you hit the lower line, okay, roughly around here. So you can just measure it over here, and then you put your leg as back as you can. So maybe you see my back, my chest, slowly I go down until here. Okay, I know up till here already, so I'm used to it, so I know. But if you do not know, you slowly go back until that down line. Okay, now if you want to go do push up like this, and then you slowly go up and then down and up. Watch carefully. Now these two hand is following your shoulder length, okay, not too wide, in front only. Okay, so when you go down, okay, make sure first you need to straight everything, all straight. You see my hand all straight, and then this one all push out. Okay, squeeze your chest. If you don't know how to squeeze, just push your hand straight as much as you can out. Okay, and then when you bend fully until you go down. Touch the wall if you want to, can also. So you go up. Okay, this is considered 1. Okay, 2. Okay, do 5 times. Do it for 4 sets, 5 times. Okay, so if this one can already, there is level 2. So you go back 1 step. Okay, you go back 1 step and then you go. Now you see, this one is roughly around my upper chest, my middle to my upper chest. Then it's correct already, okay? There's only 2 levels. So you go down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so this is for those who maybe do the first level, you don't feel anything, then you can go second level. Well, if these two you don't feel anything, don't worry, we'll go something lower. Let's go. Okay, so we have something lower. So the same thing, make sure this one is roughly at your lower chest and you go there. Okay, so when you go there already, you put your leg up and then you try to push up. Okay, now down and then up. Okay, so if this one you do already and you feel like, hey, I need more, so you can do is just now the same thing. You put the lower line, now you try go upper line a little bit and then go. Okay, and then press and then go. Okay, now for beginners, always remember, even though it's high and low, make sure to harden your abs. Good habits stays with you for a long period of time. Most of the time, the beginner, they do not do with the good habits. Later, when it becomes a habit, it's very hard to change. So I recommend you, beginners, do this while you harden up your abs. Harden up your abs so that you will stay, your body all aligned. You do not want to do, okay? You do not want to do like this and then, okay? Do not want like this. So if you haven't know what are the common mistakes, yeah, be sure to watch here first, then you come to this. Okay, so good. Okay, so for the next part, you get something like this chair, or maybe some bed that you will not find a bed. Normally it's chair or stool. You can get something like this, an IKEA stool, if you do not know IKEA. So yeah, this stool also can. Make sure, why do not want too wide? Yeah, I'll show you. So here when you lie down, you see my hand, when I can go down, I can go down. But if the thing is too wide, then later it blocks you. So find something, maybe this type of stool, and you have gap, okay? So the idea here is very simple. what you want is to familiarize your whole muscle here to be able to push like this. Okay? To avoid being like this. Okay? Don't like this, yeah? Remember, like this. Okay? Just pull back. Yeah. Now, if you feel your neck a bit tired, then don't leave your neck hanging. Just pull up like this and just lie down. Okay? You can have a bit small gap also can. Just that make sure that it's not entirely on your neck, yeah? So, the towel, okay, the towel here, when you grip, oh my god, my sexy abs. Okay, so when you hold, make sure when you hold is this shoulder length, okay? This shoulder length. Now, the thing you need to do is that make sure you grip it tight, make sure you grip it firm like this, okay? And then the next thing is that you must go down slowly, harden up. You see my tricep here? I harden up my entire muscle. So I'm imagining like I'm pushing up. So you go down slowly. Then you harden, pull. Okay? Oh, sorry, it's the other way around breathing. Okay, so when you go down, is breathe in. And then when you go up, is breathe out. See my hand? See my muscles? Okay, so what you need to do is you are actually trying to stimulate your muscles to be familiarized. When you familiarize already, you're very good in this movement. Then slowly when you do push-ups, you will use the right strength. A lot of time when you stimulate the wrong way, you know, sometimes if you never do exercise before, that's why this is for beginners. It's very, very simple thing, but yet a lot of people forget it and then they got injured. So when you have stimulation already, you already know what muscles you need to use. Automatically, you don't need to think one. So these are the things that stimulate yourself so that you will use the right muscles. A lot of time people get injured because they cannot go already, then they just keep on doing the wrong way. Do the wrong way and then got injured. Okay? So these are the things that you can do to avoid injuries. Now, again, I'll show you one more time. Okay? Very simple, right? So, yeah, simple. Be sure to subscribe. Okay? So here, go here and then pull. Harden up your whole entire hand and then you pull down. Sorry, it's breathing in. Not used to it already. Long time now, do. And then out. Okay? And then down again to your chest. And then up. I think I know it shows so serious. At least you all know already. So roughly this one go down until your chest here. Okay, another point of view, down and then up. Okay. Aha! So I hope it helped you guys. So it's simple, right? So if it's simple, please type a 1 down there so that I know how many of you think it's simple or not simple. So good. Because this is really just a very beginner tip, but I see it as a lot of people miss out all these important points. So be sure to do this more before you start push-up. I would recommend you to do this for at least 2 weeks. Let yourself be familiarized, okay? So don't rush the results. Trust me, listen to me. If you get injured already, there will be a second time getting injured. Trust me, you do not want to get injured, okay? This is from my personal experience and I've been treating so many people. These are all the people, okay? So I hope that it helps you, okay? It helps you. Please take care, okay? So if you like this video, do give a thumbs up and also be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you will not miss out on all these good things I'm about to share. You like all these simple tips, right? Yeah, so go and subscribe so that in the future, you do not know what kind of other things I share. So yeah, anyways, see you guys soon. Bye bye.